Hey everyone! Today, we're learning 5 words that'll make you sound super smart, but don't worry, they're actually pretty easy to use. No need to sound like you swallowed a dictionary. Let's start with an easy one. Word 1. Witty means someone is good at making funny comments quickly. They can say something funny on the spot in a way that's clever and maybe a bit surprising. Like, imagine your friend who always has a joke ready, or a comedian who makes you laugh out loud. Are you the witty one in your group? Hey, we can't all be naturally funny, but that's okay. Word 2. Inhabitant. Inhabitant is a long way of saying someone or something that lives in a place. It's like saying a resident of a house, or an animal that lives in a specific area. You live in your house, so you're an inhabitant. Squirrels might be unwelcome inhabitants of your attic. We've all been there. The ocean is full of creatures that live there, so we call them inhabitants. And those dusty boxes in your basement? They might be inhabited by spiders or forgotten memories. Word 3. To reckon. To reckon is an old-fashioned way of saying to think or to estimate. Like, you might reckon it'll rain later today based on the dark clouds rolling in. Or you could reckon you have enough money left for pizza after that shopping spree. But let's be real, whoever accurately reckons their finances. Word 4. To rifle. To rifle means to search something quickly and roughly, often without permission. Imagine a robber rifling through drawers looking for valuables. You wouldn't want someone rifling through your belongings, would you? Unless it's your messy desk, then maybe a good rifling is just what it needs. Word 5. To ask out. Finally, we have to ask out. This one is simple. It means to invite someone on a date. Like, you might ask out your crush to the movies or for coffee. But remember, confidence is key when asking someone out. Don't mumble and shuffle your feet. Go in there with your head held high. Unless you're asking out a giraffe, then maybe adjust your approach. All right, that's your vocabulary lesson for today. Now you can go out there and impress your friends or maybe just confuse them a little with your newfound knowledge of these fancy words. But remember, using big words isn't about showing off. It's about using them clearly to communicate like a normal human being. So, keep it simple, keep it real, and we'll see you next time for another round of vocabulary fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.